Today, whilst I'm servicing the C1, I'm going to show you an important aspect of battery maintenance that often gets overlooked and can lead to trouble, and I'll demonstrate to you why it's important as well. All around the terminals, across the top here, all around here, it's very dirty. Now it's actually very important to keep the top of your battery clean. Let me show you why. Here I've got my digital multimeter sat on top of the battery, and I've got it set on millivolts DC. Measure the voltage between the positive terminal and the dirt on the top of the casing just next to the negative terminal. You'll see that I'm getting around 6 to 7 millivolts. I measure in a variety of places. Yeah, 6 millivolts there, and I'm putting my probe directly onto plastic. 14 millivolts. What that means is that we've got a voltage running across the top of the battery through the dirt and any grease and oil that's on the top surface. Because there's a voltage running through there, then there must also be a current running through there. That means that the battery is constantly draining a few milliamps through the dirt on the top of the battery. That's why it's important to keep the top of the battery clean. I'm going to remedy this situation by cleaning the top of the battery, but first of all I'm going to remove the battery terminals. First of all, I'm going to give the inside of the terminal connection a clean with the wire brush. Make sure we've got excellent contact between the clamp and the post. Give the post a good clean with the wire brush. Make sure to brush off the corrosion. A quick clean down with a cloth. A blast with brake cleaner. Reconnect the battery. Check the terminals for security, and now we're getting no millivolts between the terminal and the casing. Once you've cleaned the battery up and you've cleaned up the terminals and the connections, a very old trick that was taught to me by my granddad is to smear petroleum jelly onto the clamp and all around. It really does help keep it clean. Do both terminals. Any terminal covers, fit them on too. I hope that was useful to you. Give it a thumbs up if you like the information. Comments down below. Give us the benefit of your experience, help out other viewers, and I'll see you next time.